This is definitely a Jerry Springer storyline.
What are you on about?
You have trapped my Sean into having your baby, but not his, because I have got proof here that you have been a scheming little...
No, I haven't.
Yes, you have.
Sean.
No, you do not. How can you look at me and tell me lies to my face?
I'm not lying.
You're an absolute liar.
I'm not lying.
Yes, you are a liar.
Is she lying, guys?
So this is when I had the baby last week and last night. Seem to have him every bloody night, don't I? While you're off gallivanting. So I looked after him, I cleaned his teeth, and then I sent it off for DNA testing.
Do you know how creepy that is? Oh, without my consent.
I don't give a shit.
Do you think she went too far with the test?
Consent for me to look after him, will you, all night while you're out about?
No, I haven't.
Yes, you have.
No,
anyway, this came back from the DNA testers, and this says that you are the mother, and is Sean the father? Is he? No, he isn't. Some dirty skanky been out and shot somebody else, and then you come back and try to nail my son. Well, he's not falling for it. You can.
I know you've never liked me, but as going as far as making a fake
You are damn
right.
I've never liked you. Could just look at you. You can barefaced lie to anybody.
No words for this. Not creepy at all.
Yeah. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. I love you. Open, unlock the door. Why won't you answer? You come over here right now. I'm getting angry.
What would you do in this situation? These boys couldn't get past this door. Not a single dent. What is wrong with people these days?
Hello? Hi. Hi. I showed up. You hired me. You're the one that hired me, right? You hired me, right? You hired me, right? You hired me for a massage. Are you serious? Look, I can show you the address and the messages.
This lady had an emergency. Luckily, her neighbor was home and knew CPR.
Hey, I think Sebastian was choking on something and I'm like panicking. It's like he's having soup and I feel like he's turning blue and I don't know what to do.
Okay, he's choking.
know if like a piece of chicken got stuck.
It's okay. No, it's okay.
I don't know what to do. You okay?
Okay? Is that all of it? You got more? You got more from Gary? Huh? You got scared?
Sorry.
It's okay.
Just literally throw up all over the place.
It's okay. No problem. You okay? Feel better? Is there more? Is there more?
You okay?
You're scared. It's okay. I got you. I got you, bro. I got you.
Chicken must not have
I got you, man.
ended
Come
up.
here anytime, okay? It's cool.
Sorry.
No, don't worry about it. Does it feel better? You can breathe? He's good now, right?
Jesus.
I'm glad you came over.
Sorry.
Oh, no, it's cool. What are you sorry about?
I literally didn't know what to do. You've never choked before.
I hope I didn't scare you.
Okay.
I hope I didn't scare you.
No, it's
Can we get you a
okay
wipe?
now. No, I'll go clean up at home.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
What are you sorry about? Are
I'm
you
not-
kidding me?
It's like,
I'm gonna be Gio's hero, man.
I'm just dislodge this from Sebastian.
I'm gonna be his hero now for sure. Oh, buddy, I'm sorry,
so
man. I hope I didn't scare you, okay?
No, I
You
think
come by anytime. You need
more
anything.
so scared.
You know I'm fully trained in CPR, so
Well, thank God.
yeah,
Sorry. Thank you.
yeah, no
I'm
problem.
gonna go get cleaned up. Sorry about the soup.
No solicitors around here.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
No, you can't hear me.
Okay, well, I'm driving right now, so if you're gonna fuck around, I'm gonna hang up.
Please watch your language, ma'am. I don't like to
You
be
are at
speaking to you
my
like that.
house telling me what to do. Get off my property right now before I call the police, because you are not supposed to be soliciting in my neighborhood. Please get off my property now.
I have a solicitor's permit, but I will leave. I don't appreciate that language, and I was not messing
Then
around
get
with
the
you.
fuck off my fucking porch!
The Ted
Steven
Bundy
here.
glasses were a big red
You got
flag.
the wrong house.
I knew this was a ripoff.
Okay, what, are you looking for a Steven?
No, I am Steven. I'm looking for, Fifi.
Yeah, you got the wrong house.
So, you don't want to have sex tonight?
Sir, my husband's in the living room with the gun.
Huh. Okay.
Have a good night.
Understood.
These burglars were posed as a UPS driver.
I've got a parcel for you, mate. Dude, I'll put it on your door and take it because coronavirus. Hey! No!
Watch what happens next.
I don't have leverage.
Why would you do this to someone making an honest living? Thank God for her fast reaction time.
Oh my God! Get back! Clarence! Oh my God! Oh my God!
When Mother Nature fights back. Is finding a job really that difficult? He's too old to be doing all this. Not suspicious at all.
How can I help you?
Oh, hey, hi, who's this?
This is the house.
Say what?
This is the owner of the house.
Oh, is it? I apologize. There must be some complication because I believe somebody was meant to drop something off here, I guess.
Yeah, we took it already. That's why we're up. We have a dog that's barking. Why are you here?
Good. I was just wondering. Make sure you received your pickup or whatever.
Yeah, thank you.
This door didn't last like the previous one before.
Who is it?
Everybody needs a neighbor like him.
I seen someone try to break in the side of your house, and I confronted him about it, and he said that he knew the owner over here.
Where was he?
He was trying to break in the side of your house right there on the side.
No.
Yeah, it's
Was
a
he
big
tall?
white guy. He's a big white guy. He has a long hair with a beard.
Oh. He was trying to open the side?
Yeah, he was like on his knees trying to open the door. I was watching him. I was like, why is he so suspicious? And then I got out the car and I confronted him. He said he knew the owner over there. And then I said it could be a problem if you come back over here. But I said I'm gonna come over here and let you know what's going on.
Oh. Oh my God, I'm so scared. I'm gonna call the cops, okay?
All right.
Can you stay around so like I could?
I'm gonna go look around to see if I can get a picture of him. I'm gonna see if I can get a picture of him.
All right, please. Thank you. Thank you. All right.
I bet you won't guess what happens next.
What's up, buddy? Hey, big boy. You lost yesterday, huh? Oh, you came to our delivery yesterday? You must have been ground. Oh, somebody tried to deliver yesterday. Oh, no, not me. Oh, you don't need a signature on that? It said it did? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. What? What's wrong with you? You alright? Well, at least I know now just to leave the package. Damn, you alright? Yeah, I'm alright. At least I know this. KJ, come here right now. At least I know just to leave the package. Come say sorry. Come here. KJ, come here. That's alright. I'm gonna beat you up. I'm gonna beat you up next time. Yeah. I'm gonna be ready for you. All right, man, bro. That's kids, man. Don't do that. All right, man.
What's going on with her? Don't do drugs, kids. We got cows on the loose. I know she feels embarrassed after this.
What's going on?
Oh, I'm so sorry, wrong house.
That's the wrong address.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. You can keep dancing. It's fine.
I'm so sorry.
You're all good. You're all good.
He picked the wrong house.
What's good, nigga?
These kids have to be stopped.
How y'all doing? How y'all doing?
Pasta sauce? In the middle of the night?
I was y'all neighbor. I was trying to see if y'all had like some pasta sauce I could borrow.
I don't. You might try, well, no, they're not home. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really know any of the neighbors.
Alright.
Sorry.
Appreciate it.
These people stole a whole generator. How much do you think it weighs?
Hey, pull forward and I'm gonna put it up in the front.
There's nothing.
It says right top. You're not making smooth. So good. What? So good. Perfect.
What you think we're gonna do with it?
What happens next will shock you.